Hey guys, it's Mel here. Thanks for checking back in. Today we're going to do this easy, glowy, classic holiday look with a warm, neutral eye and classic red lips. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's get into it. So first I am using my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. Make sure we're nice and hydrated. Then for the lips, I'm using this Laneige lip sleeping mask just to moisturize as we go through. Next, I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This is really awesome. Serves as like a primer also, gives a nice glow, doesn't break me out and doesn't make me oily. So we're really going to prep the skin before makeup so we have that nice fresh look. Then I'm going to use the GlamGlow GlowStarter Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow, just on the outer perimeters. For foundation, I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This is beautiful. This gives great coverage. It's like skin. It lasts forever. Isn't super matte, but doesn't make me oily either. This is perfect for winter. I am gonna contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. Then for concealer, I'm going to use the Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer for under my eyes and to highlight my face. This concealer is great because it gives full coverage, but it's not super matte and drying. It's nice, comfortable. To set the face, I'm going to use this Becca Hydra-Mist powder to set everything. This powder is really cool. It's very finely milled and it has like this cooling feel when you put it on your face. What I like about this powder is it keeps the makeup in place all day, really sets everything, smooths everything, but it's not super drying. This is great. It still keeps that glow to your skin. And I'm just dusting a little extra all over the rest of my face. Now I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. Perfect. To set that cream contour, I'm going to use the Cover FX Suntan Bronzer. Deepen the contour and to set it. I'm just going to do a little nose contour as well. And then for bronzer all over, I'm going to use the BareMinerals Faux Tan face, all over face color. It's like a bronzer. They also have the shade Warmth, which is really popular. They didn't have that when I went to get it, so I got the Faux Tan, and this is still really nice as well. This has a little bit of shimmer in it, which is nice for that glowy look. For a bronze topper, I'm going to use this MAC Finishing Face Powder in the shade Global Glow. And now for blush, I'm going to use the Note Blush in Desert Rose. Love this blush. This color is awesome. And for highlight, I'm going to use the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Flexitarian. This is super blinding. These formulas are really creamy and nice, which I like for that glowy look. It doesn't look dry and powdery. They kind of melt right into the skin and blend out really nice. For the eyes, I'm going to use the Too Faced Best Year Ever eyeshadow palette. I got this back in 2018. It has all the great colors for holiday, but you can really use any eyeshadow palette for this look. For the crease, I'm going to go in with Faux Fur only. This shade, it's a nice cool toned light brown, just all over the big fluffy brush. And then I'm going to warm it up with the Spice Cider matte warm brown color just to add a little more warmth. This look is super easy to do. Here I'm just taking a smaller brush and really deepening that outer V just to give that definition. I'm also buffing those two colors under the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Halo. I'm going to spray my brush a little bit. This is one of my favorite colors in the palette. I'm going to do this from the inner corner of the eye till we get to that outer V part. Taking that brown color and just meshing the two. And then I'm taking that Halo shade as my brow bone and my inner corner highlight because I love that shade so much. Next, I am going to take this matte dark brown color called Don't Give a Fudge. I'm going to use a really precise eyeliner brush, and this is going to be our wing liner. It just gives a softer look using a dark brown eyeshadow instead of like liquid black. So you can use liquid liner if you want, but I'm just using this to give a more soft, whimsical look, and I really liked how it turned out. Also going to buff this on the outer edge of the lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to spray my face with the iconic London mist in the original shade. This is going to give a really nice glow while setting the makeup, and I'm just going to fan it to set everything. Here I'm just applying mascara to the upper and lower lashes. I'm just using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. This is one of my favorites. It curls the lashes while separating, and it makes them really dark and elongated. Next, I'm gonna line my lips with Rimmel London, a lip liner in Tiramisu. We are gonna use a red liquid lipstick. So I'm just lining. I was really messy with this, sorry. I was trying on so many red lipsticks that my lips started to get stained and messy, so it's not as clean as it should be, but you get the point. Now I'm gonna go in with this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Charm. I got this in my BoxyCharm. This is the original shade for BoxyCharm, but you can use any red lipstick. I like this one because it has a more deeper, cool tone look to it. And these are really comfortable on the lips. Great pigmentation. Red lip is just classic for the holidays. And I'm going to go in with this Pearl lip gloss from Jouer. This is the mini version. It's like in rose gold. It's just like a little lip gloss with rose gold shimmer. Really perfect for this look. So here's the final look, guys. Nice glowy skin with a warm neutral eye and the classic red lip. Perfect for holidays. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.